whirlpool. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Took some line in that. Oh yeah. He's gonna jump. Get her out of that pool. Oh yeah. Feel alright in here. Holy shit! Woohoo! We got a big boa here. Let's go get the net. Damn, bigger than I thought there. Taking some line. Great start. Let's try to land her. Coming back up for air. Oh man. Taking a lot of line here. This is great. Coming back up. Damn. Damn. Hell yeah. I got a 3.5 pounder right here. Trying to get her. We got other calls. Oh, she's going right in there. Alright, see you out. Walking like a dog right here. She's coming right with me. Good. Oh, she might come up for air. Oh, there she is. Woo, baby. I see her belly. Nah, it's alright. Good fish. She ate that thing. I'm good. Oh no, it's in the lip. Nice. 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 Nice fish. There we go. That's why we come here. Fucking Dukes, baby.